Hi, I'm Bo with Karcher, and I'm here today to talk to you about maintenance on the iCapsol Mini. When you're maintaining your iCapsol Mini, one of the most important concepts to remember is that the detergent that goes through this machine is designed to crystallize into a hard plastic around soil. The thing you need to remember is that any detergent left on the machine will crystallize into a hard plastic on the machine. So there's a couple key points we want to remember when we're done using our machine. First, always remove the jets from the machine. Rinse them with water and put them on the straps to dry. Next, make sure that you remove and thoroughly rinse the brushes. Finally, remove and rinse the debris tray and then clean the undercarriage of the machine. This will allow the debris tray to move freely in and out of the machine and for the machine to operate correctly. When you begin operating the machine, fill the tank with water and detergent and run some solution through the line with no jet in place. Remember, the detergent crystallizes and it will do so in the line. Running it for a few seconds before putting the jet in will allow the detergent to flush out any remaining residues so that they don't build up in the jet. If you follow these simple steps, remove and rinse your jets, store them off the machine, remove your brushes, remove the tray, rinse both brushes and tray thoroughly, and clean the undercarriage of the machine with a clean towel, your iCapsol Mini will give you years of service.